lovely people. So today I will show you how to do a nude makeup in 5 minutes with RangDe products. So first I will apply makeup only on half of her face. This is to give you a fair idea why it's good to take out 5 minutes from your busy schedules. Let's start and take corrector shade and apply it to the areas where the coverage is needed. This helps to even out the skin. Take your concealer shade and dab well with the beauty blender. Now can you see a visible difference between both the sides? Let's start concealing the other half of the face as well. Once you blend it well, it looks like your skin only. Now let's move on to some natural eye makeup tricks, which aren't much time taking and can be easily included in your regular makeup routine. First, tight line your eyes with RangDe Kajal. This helps to make your eyes look little bigger and eyelashes little thicker. You can use RangDe Kajal as a liner also. Take small strokes and put it on the edge. Then smudge it slightly with your finger. This gives a definition to the eyes. Never try to put kajal in one stretch. Take small strokes. You can use RangDe lip palette as eyeshadow as well. Take a very small quantity and buff it well. If you don't have an eyeshadow brush, then you can use your fingers. This is just to give depth and definition to the eyes. I'm using the same palette for blush. I have mixed Ela and Beryl shades and dabbed slightly on cheeks. You can dab it using your fingers too. Then blend it well with your blender so that there are no visible lines. The best part about this palette is if your preferred shade is not there, then just mix 2 or 3 shades and create it. You can create different shades of red, pink or orange. And you also don't need a lip liner, as this brush gives a very good shape and finish. So you can get ready with RangDe products only in 5 minutes.